Having a dog doesn't mean you have to give up your dream of a green, family-friendly backyard. Here at the Dog Psychology Center, we have over 40 acres of dog-friendly space, and we chose EasyTurf as our pet-friendly landscape solution. Not only does EasyTurf look just like natural grass, it also helps eliminate common lawn problems associated with pets, like brown spots from urine, tracking mud, grass clippings, and it can even deter your dog from digging holes.
A proprietary rinse-clean drainage technology makes EasyTurf the only choice for pet owners. This 100% permeable backing makes it quick and easy to rinse away even the messiest pet waste and outdoor spills. And because EasyTurf is made with non-absorbent, inherently antimicrobial fibers, ants, fleas, and ticks won't find a place to call home in your backyard.
We have a lot of land to cover, so it's important to me that our landscaping is easy to care for, safe for our pack, and has proper drainage. EasyTurf was the best choice for us and is the best choice for your pack, whether you have tiny toy breeds or massive mastiffs.
EasyTurf's state-of-the-art fibers and infill provide a safe, cushioned place for your pets to play and train. Advanced engineering ensures your pets a durable, soft lawn for many years to come, while drastically reducing your water and lawn maintenance costs.
I am Cesar Millan, and I trust the leader in artificial grass for my pack. Now you can choose EasyTurf too.